Hey, what's up guys? Max is here with Triado Custom Engraving. Hey, today I'm going to take a design like this that has lots of letters in it and engrave it onto this 20-ounce YETI Tumbler. Alright, first thing, we're going to cut out our carbon paper to size. Next step is going to be taking our carbon paper. Make sure you put it on the right side up, so the lighter side up. And then we'll take our design and put it over top of it. Make sure everything is lined up. Alright, once everything's lined up, we'll tape it. Once you have taped the design onto the cup and everything looks nice and straight, next thing is going to be tracing design onto the cup itself. Alright, so for tracing I like to use mechanical pencil, and I also like to use a pillow for my support so I can make nice and easy straight lines. Alright, so when you guys are tracing cursive letters like this, or words, I would suggest just making one line like this, and don't try to trace the whole letter in black, because once you trace this out and start engraving, you can pick a bigger size burr and just take this whole thickness with one pass. Alright, so once you're done tracing your design, we'll go ahead and see what we got. So if you did everything correctly, your design should be on the cup and not on the back of this paper. For my engraving, I'm going to be using my tungsten carbide Fox Germany burr. I think this size burr was pretty good, but if you wanted this a little bit thicker, just step up with next size up of the burr, and it should come out good. Alright guys, so the outline is complete. Next thing, I'm gonna shade in all the parts that need to be shaded in. I'll show you a little trick on how to shade in quicker. If you just hold your burr like this and move the cup, you can get it done a lot quicker like this. Alright guys, cup is complete. Let me know what you guys think. This took about 4.5 hours. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.